All right, so in this video, I'm going to show you how we can get leads from probably the easiest and most reliable place that there is to get leads on, but the less targeted place where we can do the least amount of targeting, and that is Facebook's suggested friends list. All right. Right here, this is people that you may know. You can just come here on Facebook and you can click on friends, and you can either come right here to facebook.com/friends where it shows people that you may know, or you can come right here to suggestions. It doesn't actually matter. It doesn't matter which one of these places that you come to. You can come to either place and you can just click on the friender icon, and then you can go ahead and you can target people here. That you want to target here. These are the ones that are going to be that Facebook suggests to you. They are, I don't want to say the most likely to accept, but these are who Facebook is suggesting, so they are the most likely to be able to be sent and Facebook not get upset at you and saying you're sending too many friend requests. Okay, these are the people that we recommend if you're under 1,000 friends, 1,500, 2,000 friends. So if you're under that many friends, we'd suggest you start adding people here, and this be the bulk of the people that you're actually trying to add. This is who Facebook is suggesting you send friend requests to. But we have the least amount of filter options here. So we can't filter by keywords or anything here because Facebook doesn't give us that information. But how we get leads from here is the same. We can either be on this page and just click Run Friender, and Friender will do its thing. It will go in and actually look at people. It will look at the profiles here, and it will filter out people, and it's already found 14 friends. Okay? Or you can come right here to suggestions. You can do the same thing. You can click on Friender. You can click Run Friender. You could have clicked on Edit and changed your settings if you want. It's going to start looking through. It's already found 7 friends. And again, all of those friends are going to be right here inside of Friender. We can see these are my suggested friends. I put them at the top of the queue. These are the people that we just found from suggested friends. And just like that, that's how we can get leads from the easiest spot on Facebook, and that is the suggested friends from Facebook.